If you want to search for a song on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then in that case we can use circle to search. Press and hold your finger on the navigation bar if you use the gestures for navigation, or press and hold your finger on the home button in case you use 3 buttons navigation instead. There we go. Now in here at the bottom we should be able to find this note, music note icon or button, so you can tap on it and you should be able to let your phone listen to the background noise for a little bit. And if the phone recognizes a song, then you should be able to get Google search result with the song title. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can go to the control center and you can add the search song button to the control center. So let's tap on this pen. Then over here, we need to find song search. There we go. We're going to press this plus button to add it to the list. And then we should be able to use it to pretty much activate the same feature. You can play, sing, or hum a song in order to try to get its title. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.